Well, hey team, Tim Thomas here at the Work and Home Center. Great things are happening. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope great things are happening for you, and I could not be more excited to bring you this video. Before we get started, please like the video. I really would appreciate it. It helps show it to more people. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe to this channel so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Work at home has never been this good, and it's getting better all the time. We've got some great systems that we're working with, and we're at the time of year that I'm going to so many inquiries about these programs, and I'm telling you, right now through the end of the year, it's going to be big ticket time. Folks, you want to be in a system. You really do. I've done this for over and over again for years. This is the time of year that you want to be in a big ticket commission. Several programs that have big ticket that you can make, $100, $500, $1,000, $1,500, $3,500 per sale. And I'm telling you, people will join. They can and will. All you do is keep it out there. We have proven mailing lists. We have proven postcards. We have proven strategies, leads, and how you can be successful in these programs. The Easy Money Postcard System. Folks, as you look at my YouTube channel, here's a video that I recorded a while back, back in February. Back in February, I recorded this video of a proof payment. I've got a playlist on my channel of the Easy Money Postcard System. It's under playlist, and you can go to the Easy Money Postcard System. I have video. Here we go. I have a ton of videos, video after video after video under playlist that talks about the yellow postcard Easy Money system. This program has been a blessing for me and my family. So I could not be more excited. I'm going to talk about it. If you'll give me about 8 minutes, and let me run through it real fast, because I'm getting a lot of people interested in this postcard. I keep it all. I did a video on I keep it all. This thing is exploding, folks. Do not, if you're watching this video, do not pass up the opportunity to get in these programs. We've got some unlimited bonuses and great things happening. We're right here at the time of year. It's go time. And through the end of the year, I mean, we're going to see a rush to the upside like we've ever seen in our lives. People are going to work from home. And folks, if we can show you how you can easily make $1,000 a month in these programs. If you can make $1,000 a month in these programs, you can make $1,000 a week. You can do it. If not, $2,000 or $3,000 in these programs is possible. Of course, I have to throw out income disclaimer. Nothing in life happens until you take action and you repeat the process. But this is a simple program, and all you do is mail a postcard. You are assigned. Everyone is assigned an ID number. You're assigned an ID number, and the company takes care of all the calls for you. And the sales are closed on your behalf, and you get the commission. Folks, that's exciting. It's 80-20 split. I'm going to show you the levels of participation. And people are getting involved. We have stay-at-home moms, executives, dads, construction workers, doctors, engineers. We have some preachers. We have people in retail, truck drivers. Professional people are getting involved in these programs, athletes, and I could not be more excited. Here's Don said he's been in this business in similar work at home programs. He's never seen anything like this. All he does is mail this postcard. It's the easiest money that you could ever get. It is a very simple. There is no selling, there's no telling, no convincing, and it has been proven to work. I have video after video after video of documented proof that this thing absolutely works, and I could not be more excited. Can you mail a postcard? Can you remain consistent? And can you use the mailing list that we put you in front of? Folks, if you said yes, this Easy Money Postcard System will be great. It will be awesome for 2024. Let me say that again. I'm out here at the Work at Home Center today. I'm staying cool. And I want to tell you that the Easy Money Postcard System will be great for 2024 and beyond. All you do at this point, you want to plug in. If you send this video right now, you want to get started today. You want to get started through Cash App, PayPal, mail it in via priority mail. But you want to do it today and have a sense of urgency. Money loves speed, folks, and we will get you postcards sent to you. We even got an upgrade bonus. We'll upgrade you. If you come in at $1,500, we'll upgrade you to the next level within 48 hours of talking to a coach. If you come in at $3,500, we'll upgrade you to the $7,500. There are some people that take advantage of that sometimes. Sometimes people come in at $3,500, and then we upgrade them to $7,500. Folks, very exciting times are ahead. And pause the video and listen to that call. Listen to that call and see what it has to say for you. Now, if you receive somebody's postcard in the mail, of course, use the ID number that you received the postcard from, so that person can get the proper credit for the sale. Take 15 minutes and listen to this no obligation call. Learn how people all over the country are using this program to generate bills, create leverage wealth in their life. The wealthy have been using this for years. I mean, the kind of income, go where you want to go, do what you want to do, stay as long as you want to stay, live life on your terms. Folks, the hardest part of my day is deciding what I want to do after 11 a.m. Do I want to go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, Chick-fil-A, and that's it. Because my day is done. I did a few actionable steps. I mailed my 25, 30 postcards a day, and folks, I've won. And that's how you do it. And you do it over and over again. Leverage wealth. I'm not worried about trying to trade Forex. I'm not trying to worry about trading Bitcoin, rev share programs, passive income opportunities. Folks, this is the most passive income. Can you mail a postcard? Can you do it over and over again? We have the 4x6 postcards. We have 5x7. And this is incredible to me. Let's talk about the levels of participation. Give me about 3 more minutes and I'll be off the video. Levels of participation. Quickly. Let me find those for you. Okay. Hang on tight. Okay. Here are the levels of participation that people are coming in at. Let me show you. Here are our levels. You can join at 500, and you can join at 15. You can join at 35, 75, $11,000. Now watch, every level has a certain amount. You get a certain amount of postcards as the product package. You're going to get a report. You're going to get several reports. You're going to get a product package. In the product marketing kit, you're going to get several reports, mindset reports. You're going to get leads. You're going to get postcards. The number will be hosted for you as a service. We have unlimited value here and unlimited support. Folks, that's exciting. We're going to show you what mailing list that we're using to get success, and all you do is mail. Now, again, if you join at 1,500 for a limited time, we're upgrading people. If you get us on the phone or through email, you contact us, we can upgrade you to 3,500. If you join at 35, we can upgrade you to 75. Join at 75, we'll upgrade you to 11 for a limited time. We're trying to get people started fast and help people win. Zig Ziglar had it right. If you help enough people in life get what they want, you can have everything in life. It's about transparency. It's about honesty. And when you show honesty and integrity and transparency, and that you're out to help people, folks will run you down. The universe will bend to your will. Money can come from the north, south, east, and west when you show goodwill in the marketplace, when you, again, show integrity, when you offer value. Money will come from every corner of wherever to assist you. More than enough will flow unto you when you believe. And that's all you have to do is have belief in yourself and in your business, a winning attitude, and you can win. Folks, we've got a winning formula. We've got what we call the easy money postcard system. And all you do is mail it. The call explains the entire system. And folks, I could not be more excited. I've got payments coming in. I've got people winning, and we want you to be the next success story. Well, that's my time for the video, folks. I got some great things coming in the next few days. We're working on some projects, and we're mailing postcards. Oh, let me show you something, folks. While I'm at the Working Home Center, speaking of the, this is a box. This is 2,000 of these postcards came from Print Runner. A box of these yellow postcards, and we're getting ready to mail them out. You may have seen it in the mail. Folks, the water is fine. Get started today. We'll see you at the top. We'll see you on the next video. And we'll see you at the top of success and on the next one. Have a wonderful day. If you need to get a hold of us, you can leave a message on here, or my information will be below the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.